To Olusegun Mass Clinic. Today we want to solve a question under the circle geometry. This is the question, and it's a circle, and it said in the figure above, O is the center HKL, which is the line HK is equal to 16 centimeter, which is this. HL, this is HL, is equal to 10 centimeter, and the perpendicular from O to HK, the perpendicular from O to HK is 4 centimeter. What is the length of the perpendicular from O to HL? So this is the question. So what we want to calculate is we need a perpendicular line from. So let's represent the perpendicular line by X. We will be given a perpendicular line already. That there's a question here. It said from the perpendicular from O to HK. From O to HK, we were given to be this. So which is 4 centimeter. Now we are now to find the value of X. How do we find the value of X? So the first thing you are going to consider is any line you draw from center, O to touch any of the circumference, we call it radius. So let's draw this line. Let's call here this radius. Let's also draw this line. Let's call here also a radius. They are also equal. This line is equal to this line. So if from here to here is 16, meaning that from here to here will give us 8 centimeter. And HK from here to here is 10 centimeter, meaning that from, let's call here M, let's call here P. From ML, so we have ML will give us 5 centimeter. So let's consider this angle first to find, because this is too unknown. We want to know the value of X. We also want to know the value of R. But here, let's find the value of R. Let's bring this up. You know, this is perpendicular. As the line is perpendicular to here, so to surely form a right angle triangle. So in forming right angle triangle, there's something we have to consider we call Pythagorean's rules. And the Pythagorean's rule says that hypotenuse squared is equal to the opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So therefore, and what is the hypotenuse here is R. We have R squared is equal to opposite. You can choose anyone to be the opposite. We have 4 squared plus 8 squared. So which we have R squared is equal to 16 plus 64. How do we get all this? Enough explained before that this is from here to here is radius, and it is the side that face the right angle triangle. Any side that face right angle triangle, it is what we call hypotenuse. So the other side is opposite and adjacent, depending where the angle falls to. So that is why we have 4 squared plus 8 squared. So we have 8 squared is equal to, so 16 plus 64 will give us 80. So this is a very meaningful equation. Let's call this equation 1, that R squared is equal to 80. So let's also consider 0 ml. In 0 ml, you discover that it is the R also here, it is an hypotenuse. We have R squared. So the other side is opposite, depends on where the angle falls. So therefore we have S squared plus 5 squared. How? You know, it let us to know that hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So we also obey the rules of Pythagoras in considering this triangle. So therefore, and you know that the value of our R square is 80. So from equation 1, we put 80 is equal to S squared plus 5 squared. So let's try to expand better. We have S squared plus 25. So we have 80 minus 25 is equal to S squared. So by the time we remove this will surely give us 55 is equal to S squared. So if 55 is equal to S squared, you can write to have S squared is equal to 55. So X will now give us the square root of 55. So by pressing our calculator to give us 7 points, so by pressing it, we have 7.416 centimeter. So telling us that the line, he said, what is the length of the perpendicular from O to HL? So this is S. If S is therefore O to the perpendicular line from O to H, this HL, will now give us 7.416 centimeter. So this is the value of the answer. So, and that is just the answer. From this analysis, we're able to analyze it and do what's supposed to do here. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. So thanks for watching this video and taking much of your time.